Prep test 63, game number 4, question 22. If boxes 2 and 3 both contain red balls, which of the following could be true? Got our rules and inferences up here. Let's see what happens when we put red balls in boxes 2 and 3. So right off the bat, if we have red balls in boxes 2 and 3, we know that a green has to be in box 1. We also know that we need to follow this rule of the white before a green. And that's why I've drawn 2 options here. There's only 2 ways to make that happen. Right there and right there. In both of these options, our final box can be either red or green. It could not be white, because if we had a second white box, we would need a third red box. So there's our possibilities. Let's look at the answer choices. Red and 1. We know that can't be true because that breaks one of our main rules right here. White in box 1. Nope, not a possibility. Green in box 4. We do see that possibility right there. So that's looking good. Red in box 5. Never a red there. It's either green or white in each example. And white in box 6. Never a white in box 6. So C is our correct answer.